From grilling to cleaning, aluminum foil has some surprising uses beyond just wrapping leftovers. Aluminum foil is made from 75% recycled materials, making it an eco-friendly household staple. Grilling with aluminum foil can reduce cooking time by up to 30% and prevent food from sticking. Crumpled aluminum foil can be used as a natural scrubber to remove stubborn stains and grout. Aluminum foil can deflect heat, making it an effective DIY radiator reflector to reduce energy bills. You can use aluminum foil to polish silver jewelry by rubbing it with a foil ball and baking soda. Aluminum foil can also be used as a wind chime material, creating a unique and melodious sound. Meet Félix Rodríguez de la Fuente, the Spanish explorer who single-handedly moved the border between Spain and Morocco by 20 kilometers in 1958, and how his actions impacted the region. Félix Rodríguez de la Fuente was a Spanish explorer and geographer who mapped uncharted territories in North Africa. In 1958, he embarked on an expedition to the Spanish-Moroccan border, where he discovered a cartographic error. The mistake had placed the border 20 kilometers inside Moroccan territory, causing disputes between the two countries. Rodríguez de la Fuente single-handedly corrected the border, moving it 20 kilometers west into Spanish territory. His actions led to the signing of the IFNI Treaty, recognizing Spanish sovereignty over the disputed region. In the 1,840 seconds, a German immigrant named Jacob Walz struck gold in the Superstition Mountains, but his treasure was never found. Or was it? The lost Dutchman's gold is a legendary treasure hidden in Arizona's Superstition Mountains. Jacob Walz, a German immigrant, is believed to have discovered gold in the area in the 1,840 seconds. Walz's gold mine was said to be incredibly rich, producing gold worth millions of dollars. Despite numerous searches, the exact location of Walz's mine remains a mystery to this day. Many have attempted to find the treasure, but none have returned with conclusive proof. The legend of the lost Dutchman's gold continues to captivate treasure hunters and adventurers worldwide.
Discover how the ancient Greeks used animal bones to predict weather patterns. Ancient Greeks believed animal bones held secrets to predicting weather patterns over 2,000 years ago. They observed that certain bones, like deer antlers, changed color or developed cracks before storms. The Greeks thought the bones absorbed moisture from the air, causing these physical changes. By studying these bone transformations, they could forecast weather conditions with surprising accuracy. This practice, known as osteomancy, was also used in ancient China and Africa for similar purposes. While osteomancy is no longer a mainstream weather forecasting method, it shows the resourcefulness of our ancestors. Discover the records set by aircraft carriers, including the longest deployment, most aircraft launched, and fastest circumnavigation of the globe. The USS Enterprise holds the record for the longest deployment, serving 51 years from 1961 to 2017. The USS Nimitz launched over 1,300 aircraft in a single 24-hour period, the most in history. The USS Enterprise completed the fastest circumnavigation of the globe in 1986, taking just 19 days. The largest aircraft carrier in the world is the USS Gerald R. Ford, with a length of over 1,100 feet. Aircraft carriers have been involved in every major U.S. military conflict since World War II. The first aircraft carrier, the HMS Argus, was commissioned in 1918 and could carry up to 20 planes.
Witness the magical phenomenon of Vadhu Island's bioluminescent waves, caused by phytoplankton, and learn how this hidden lake creates an otherworldly experience. Vadhu Island, a tiny island in the Maldives, is home to this breathtaking phenomenon. The glowing waves are caused by bioluminescent phytoplankton, microscopic organisms that emit light. These phytoplankton, called dinoflagellates, thrive in the island's shallow, nutrient-rich waters. As the waves crash, the phytoplankton react to oxygen, producing a mesmerizing blue glow. The island's unique lake, connected to the ocean, creates a perfect environment for this phenomenon. This natural wonder is best seen during the full moon, when the glow is at its brightest. Did you know that companies like Too Simple and Daimler are already testing autonomous semi-trucks on public roads. Two simple self-driving trucks have driven over 5 million miles on public roads since 2018. Daimler's autonomous trucks use 20 cameras and 12 sensors to navigate roads safely. Self-driving trucks can increase fuel efficiency by up to 10% through optimized routes and speeds. The U.S. trucking industry faces a shortage of 60,000 drivers, making autonomous trucks a promising solution. Autonomous trucks can operate 24/7 without brakes, increasing delivery speed and reducing costs. By 2040, it's predicted that 15% of all new trucks sold will be autonomous, revolutionizing the industry.
Grand Theft Auto 5 has a mysterious simulation Easter egg that hints at the simulation theory. Grand Theft Auto 5 has a mysterious simulation Easter egg hidden in its code. This Easter egg contains a cryptic message reading Simulation Reset in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The message is displayed on a computer screen in the game's fictional Life Invader office. The simulation theory proposes that our reality is a simulation created by a more advanced civilization. Rockstar Games, the developer of GTA 5, has never officially confirmed the Easter egg's meaning. Some players believe the Easter egg is a commentary on the gaming industry's use of simulated worlds.
You've heard of Disney's infamous lost film, London After Midnight. But what really happened to it? Disney's London After Midnight was a 1927 silent horror film directed by Todd Browning. The film starred Lon Chaney, the man of 1,000 faces, in a dual role. Only one promotional still photograph of the film remains, featuring Chaney in a haunting costume. The last known print of London After Midnight was destroyed in a 1965 fire at MGM Studios. Rumors of surviving footage or prints have been debunked, leaving the film forever lost. Despite its mysterious fate, London After Midnight remains a fascinating footnote in Disney's early history. Explore how triage was used during World War I, specifically by doctors like Jonathan Letterman, who developed a system to prioritize wounded soldiers. During World War I, medical teams faced overwhelming numbers of wounded soldiers, sparking the need for triage. Dr. Jonathan Letterman developed the first formal triage system, prioritizing patients based on severity of injury. Letterman's system categorized patients into 3 groups: immediate attention, delayed attention, and hopeless cases. This pioneering approach reduced mortality rates by 50% and became a model for modern triage systems. Triage was crucial in World War I, as medical supplies were scarce and transportation was limited. The lessons learned from Letterman's triage system continue to influence emergency medical response